Hi, I'm Anita Burgess and I'm thrilled to be your partner on this exciting journey of transforming your home and space. An on-site session with me includes number one, the setup, which means we're going to go into the designated area that we're about to tackle and set up everything for success. We need a place for donations, we need a place for rubbish, and we also need a clean area to be able to sort and categorize. Number two, this is the fun part for me, especially the decluttering. We're going to take out each item, whatever area it may be, the wardrobe, the pantry, and we're actually going to evaluate whether we need this in our home and we need this in our life. Number three, the organising and labelling. Together, we're going to put in those storage solutions, get everything organised and make it easier for you to maintain order in your home. Number four, what I like to call this one, it's closing the loop. This includes removal of rubbish, getting donations off to their charity and getting that area we've worked on back in order. So let's get our hands dirty, get your home organised once and for all and book your on-site session today.